Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and well at home. Let's start the class now. First, let's check the previous class homework. Seventh sum given. Buying cost of a house equal to 9,50,840. Selling cost of a house equal to rupees 9,94,000. To find more money he got after selling his house equal to question mark. Solution: 9,94,000 minus 9,50,840. The answer is more money he got after selling his house equal to rupees 43,160. Ninth sum given. Amount requires to construct equal to rupees 7,84,000. Amount management had equal to rupees 2,38,756. To find more money it requires to complete equal to question mark. Solution: 7,84,000 minus 2,38,756. Answer: more money it requires to complete the room equal to 5,45,244. Tenth sum given. The fare for flight A equal to rupees 1,45,900. More fare for flight B than flight A equal to rupees 1,07,394. To find fare for flight B equal to question mark. Solution: 1,45,900 plus 1,07,394. Now the answer is fare for flight B equal to 2,53,294. Now it's time for mental sum. First one, 9 nines are. Second one, 279 minus 10. Third one, the number 100 more than 187 is dash. Now mental sum answers. First one, 81. Second one, 269. Third one, 287. In the last class, we have learnt about the subtraction word problem, isn't it? Yes. Do you remember the term used in subtraction? That is minuend, subtrahend and difference. What is minuend? The number from which a number is subtracted is called minuend. What is subtrahend? The number that is subtracted is called subtrahend. What is difference? The answer we get after the subtraction is called the difference. Continuing forward with the same chapter, subtraction, but today with a different model. Subtract the difference of 3,14,326 and 3,326 from their sum. First, we have to read the question again and again. Then we have to understand the question well. Afterwards, we have to do the sum. In this question, what is given to us? Here we have two values, that is 3,14,326 and 3,326. Is there any other given information? No. What should we find out now? Is there any keyword here? Yes, that is difference. So we have to subtract the smallest number from the biggest number. That is 3,14,326 minus 3,326. Now we have to subtract. We have to start from ones place. 6 minus 6, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 4 minus 3, 1. Here there is no value to subtract. So we have to write 1 in the 10,000s place. Next, move on to the lakhs place. Here also there is no value to subtract. So we have to write 3 in the lakhs place. Now the difference is 3 lakh 11,000. 3 lakh 11,000 is the step 1 answer. That is the difference of two values. Look at the question again. Here we have another keyword sum. That is, we have to add these two numbers. That is 3,14,326 and 3,326. Now we have to add these two values. We have to start from ones place. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 is a two-digit number. So we have to put 2 in the ones place. 1 carry over to tens place. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Next one, 3 plus 3, 6. Next one, 4 plus 3, 7. Next, move on to the 10,000 place. Here 1 plus 0, 1. Next, we have to move on to the lakhs place. 3 plus 0 equal to 3. Now, we get the answer 3 lakh 17,652. 3 lakh 17,652 is the step 2 answer. That is the sum of two values. Next, move on to the step 3. What should we do next? We have to subtract the difference from the sum. That is 3 lakh 17,652 minus 3 lakh 11,000. Now we have to subtract. We have to start from ones place. That is 2 minus 0, 2. 5 minus 0, 5. 6 minus 0, 6. 7 minus 1, 6. 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Now we get the answer 6,652. I hope you understand the sum very well. Let's see another example. Find the difference between 42,583 and 27,764. Find the total if 10,758 more is added to their difference. In this question, what is given to us? Here we have two values. That is 42,583 and 27,764. Is there any other given information? Yes, that is 10,758. What should we find out here in this question? We have to find the difference. What keyword is used here? That is difference. So, in the first step, we have to subtract 27,764 from 42,583. Now, we have to subtract. We have to start from ones place. We cannot subtract 4 from 3. So, we have to borrow 1 from tens place. So, it becomes 13. 13 minus 4, 9. Next, move on to the tens place. 7 minus 6 equal to 1. Next, move on to the hundreds place. We cannot subtract 7 from 5. So, we have to borrow 1 from thousands place. Now, it becomes 15. 15 minus 7 equal to 8. Next, move on to the thousands place. Here we have 1. So, we cannot subtract 7 from 1. So, we have to borrow 1 from 10,000s place. Now, it becomes 11. 11 minus 7 equal to 4. Next, move on to the 10,000 place. Here we have 3. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Now, we get the answer 14,819. Read the question again. Is there any other keyword? Yes, that is total. So, we have to add 10,758 and the value of difference, that is 14,819. So, we have to add now. We have to start from ones place. 9 plus 8, 17. Put 7 in the ones place. Carry 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. Next, move on to the hundreds place. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 is a 2-digit number. So, put 5 in the hundreds place. Carry 1 to the thousands place. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. Next, move on to the 10,000s place. 1 plus 1, 2. Now, the answer is 25,577. I hope you understand the sum very well. Thank you, students. We will meet in the next class.